Are you looking for an easy-to-follow workout that will transform your body and get you fit? We have 7 exercises that you can do that does not require any equipment. Sounds good? Let's go! First up, we have push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging your core, lower back, and legs. Do this for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Next up is jumping jacks. Jumping jacks will get your blood flowing as they are a high-intensity, full-body aerobic exercise. They elevate the heart rate and improves cardiovascular health by engaging the legs, arms, and core. With consistency, you will be able to build endurance and stamina. Do this for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. We will now activate and strengthen the glutes with glute bridges. Your glutes are essential for functional movement and stability. Glute bridges are a comprehensive lower body exercise that target the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while keeping your core engaged. Let's go for 30 seconds, then 30 seconds rest. Great stuff! We will now focus on the legs with squats. Squats help strengthen the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, leading to increased muscle mass and definition. This exercise helps with performance in activities like running and cycling. Let's continue building up the legs with lunges. Lunges targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, and you should expect firmer, stronger legs after 4 weeks. This exercise tones the glutes, resulting in a lifted and more firmer backside. Engage your abdominals and lower back when doing lunges. 30 seconds, then 30 seconds rest. Next up, we will be hitting our core and abs with planks. Planks focuses on the rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back, and by holding a plank, you engage the entire abdominal area. Keep your back straight from head to toe. Hold the plank for 30 seconds. Now we are going to finish off strong with mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are high-intensity workout that boosts cardiovascular endurance. This exercise is key to strengthening your heart while engaging your abs, obliques, and lower back, leading to better core strength. Let's go hard for 30 seconds. There you have it. 7 no-equipment exercises that will get you fit and in shape in 4 weeks. Do 3 rounds of these exercises every second day with a rest day in between for recovery.